What is a home? A home should be a safe space, but sometimes a home has the ability to turn its back on you, leaving you with nothing but a memory of the only place you've known your whole life. When things get bad, they have the ability to drive you to a new one. A home doesn't always have to be in a country, city, or state. Sometimes you can find it in a person, a friend, romance, or family member. Someone you can talk to when you're feeling alone. Someone you can laugh with when things get hard. Someone who can provide you with a sense of comfort, and you can do the same for them. What is a home? A home should be a safe space where you can express yourself without being judged. You could change your name if you wanted to, start a business or a family. What is a home? A home should be a safe space to make good memories and to go through the motions of life. What is a home? A home should be a safe space. You can also find a home within yourself. At the end of the day, a home is what you make it.